baby outside. Okay, so finally I'm using this tripod for the first time, and I think I am kind of happy because it has been, I think, almost 3 to 4 days, and I'm like, am I even gonna use this? It was just, there's someone outside shouting and selling vegetable or something. Anyways, everyone needs to leave, right? Oh, so we are gonna start our work from this wooden section, which is a lot of wood, a lot of wood that's not even required. So yeah, we're gonna take all of these out and pack them up in little kind of baskets or polythenes, and then take them out. Okay guys, so this is what I have done. I've taken out all the wooden things from here. So this side is, I know it's still messy, do not get shocked. So first now I have taken out all the boxes, and all the boxes have been lined up here. First thing, I want to move the bed, because actually bed, yeah, I'm thinking of placing it so the mirror would be like, I can literally walk to the mirror. So that's the plan. So bed like isari lamu par. Now it's time for the bed. Let's. Okay. Oh, this is kind of heavy. So one very common scenario that happens when I'm cleaning is 20% I'm cleaning, and then 80% I'm looking at random cards, random things that I find, memories, and I'm looking at them and I'm like, I should keep this as well, that as well. That's why everything is so much messy and so much things are there, because I can't let them go. So since it's rainy season, I can't really complain about the rain. So I really wanted to get some plants and some really pretty pots. So we went to the nursery and then I looked around. I really wanted indoor plant for office as well as korkolaki. So we looked around and I got couple of pots and couple of indoor plants as well. So also this nursery was super pretty. It is in Maiti Devi if you guys want to go, if you live in Nepal. So you can always visit. There's two side by side. Both I think belongs to the same person. Hi guys, I'm waiting for that to come. So I just thought I should talk with you guys for a while. Mask ikshin tola rakdium if it's fine. Also I heard ki mask isari tola rakhnu na. If you want to open the mask, then you need to open it like, because yako bacteria might go in your mouth when you put it back again. That's what I heard. So let's do that. I'm kind of ready, and we are going to the office. It's raining. It has been crazily raining right now. So if you can see, it's still raining. So yeah. So if you don't know yet, then I have been liking journaling a lot these past few days. So I was in a mood to journal this day as well. So when I'm journaling, I go with the flow. Whatever I'm feeling that day, I also like to write like my own lines. I don't think I can call it poem, but yeah, kind of whatever I'm feeling that day. So it gives me a lot of like peaceful mindset, if I can call it that. Like it gives me a kind of freedom to go with the flow. Hello everyone, welcome back. So as a whole Thursday, as a Wednesday, so hizo I vlogged and today I'm vlogging again. It's a weekly vlog. So as a I am not going to the office. As a whole, like stay home kind of day. So I am going to do this room decor thing that I have been pushing away for so long. So I think I have been saying this in so many of my vlogs ki I am going to do a room like decor. I'm going to do a room decor, but I have been so, I don't know if it's lazy or cute. Also sometimes it's said ki if you give a lot of time to yourself, then your mind will automatically work that way ki I have a lot of time, and the work will be extended to the time you give. Just so exam ko belama is if we have like a month, then we will think like full months, but if we only have like 3 to 4 days to study, then also we will somehow study for the exam. I think it's the same. So what I have decided is I'm only going to give today, feel a little bit good, I'm going to do a little bit of makeup, and after that we're going to get started with our work. So let's get started.
Like nothing's wrong. I'm just trying to write you a song. The sun is going down. I am getting wild. Just can't remember the last time you smiled. Oh.
Even though there might not be like a lot of difference, I do feel a lot better after like getting a little bit put together. So we are going to color these. So I'm going to use marble art technique to color these. So that's it, that he's gonna come and help me to plant, because planting is not really my thing. I really love like greenery, plants, but planting is not my thing. I'm scared of earthworm. Yeah, so we are going to do the marble technique, which I'm going to show you guys how it is. It is very easy. All you guys will need is gloves, because hatko naos panera. So it's a very easy technique, and by the way, please excuse the background thing that's going on. So I just thought that these do take some time to dry. So yeah. So I have taken 4 of these colors. I've taken green, black, blue and yellow. So I'm going to see kunma kun launi ho banera haina. Guys, marble technique is the easiest technique. All you need to do is take water and then keep on adding color. I'm using nail polish, and then you need to take a toothpick, and then you can make literally any design. Then take whatever you want to put the design on, and then just as I'm doing, just roll it, and you can get design that easily. Just work on it however you like, keep on turning it, maybe add more colors, do your thing, and then you'll get a very pretty marble art design. So I also made a second one, and here I added green, blue and black color, and then I thought I wanted to add a little bit more color, so I again added some color and then turned it here and there. So on the top of it I wanted blue color. I wanted it to be bright. And so for the third one I went with a little bit darker black design, and then I also added a pop of pink, and then I added some more designs with white. It's pretty self-explanatory. I went with white color, and then I went up and down, up and down. By the way, here I'm using acrylic color. I think I didn't mention that. And then I also went with some dots and then with some lines, just to add some few more elements on it. So as I said, guys, I'm hell scared of earthworms. So Dad came to rescue us to help plant the plant. So if I'm not wrong, this is aloe vera. Yes, this is aloe vera. And then in our painted pot, this is money plant. That's what the shopkeeper, or let's say plant keeper, told me. So this is money plant. And by the way, this pot, I also like it naturally as itself. So I let some of it to be themselves. So I don't remember what this plant is called, but I like this as well. All of these are, by the way, indoor plants. And now I'm soon gonna hang them. Yes. Hello guys, so I went out and I came back because I had placed order for mayonnaise, and this is from this company called Happy Tummy. So Astipani I had ordered this, and guys, believe me, I'm not lying, I saw so many reviews and I thought that I should order, and I ordered one, yes, and it was so yummy. Literally one day mein like half soki jaga thiyo. If you live in Nepal and you want to order these, then you should definitely give it a try. My mom is putting mehendi, and we are going to ask the professional. As you can see, एकदम professional type को मेहंदी लगाइराख्नु भएको छ. अनि तपाईले कहिलेदेखि मेहंदी लाउन सिक्नु भएको?
म सानैदेखि मेहन्दी लाउँथे.
So बच्चादेखि नै हैन, from a very little age, maybe 1 or maybe smaller than that देखि नै हैन. म अलिकति तपाईको यस्तो गरेर मेहंदी देखाइदिनु त, एकदम मास्टरपिस देखाइदिनु त. Let's zoom in अलिकति. यस्तो गरेर देखाइदिनु न अगाडि. सो यो खतरा मेहन्दी हैन. ल हुन्छ, लाउन हामी डिस्टर्ब गर्न चाहन्दैनौँ तपाईले. Hello cute little people. So अहिले भएको छ 7:30. It's the same day and I'm having some headache. I stayed home all day because I had some work to do, Karme, but I don't know why. At this point of time, my head is like literally so hot. It's not corona, do not worry. I just feel like I don't know what this is. But anyway, so mom thought of going to the grocery store at this point of time, and I was like, why not? Because I'm also not feeling that much like okay, so getting some fresh air would be nice. So that's the plan. Ab jana lageko. It's 7:30 p.m. It's night actually, if you can see from that little thing right. Hello, so आजको plan was to make pani puri and oh my god, the khorsani went into my eyes. What the hell, yaar. I think I'm fine. Yeah, I think I'm fine. Anyways, so I had come early because yesterday I bought the pani puri ko packet which you could just put into the oil and make pani puri, because bairo we don't have anything bairo ko khasai, and so anyways that would be safe bairo, and so I came early as well, but then not feeling too well, so change of plan. So yes, I had high hopes that I'm going to include pani puri banako footage, but hello guys, so a quick update ki I didn't get my bed because according to my room ko shape and size, which is very weird because it's like not an exact square or rectangle, so we wanted a customized bed. So this ko lagi customized, of course Pinterest per nikaleर different designs गरेर finally I came to a conclusion, and त्यसपछि I have given order for the bed. So the bed बन्न लाग्छ total of this small baby outside. So the bed बन्न लाग्छ total of 15 days. So I just thought, why 15 days सम्म यही decor राख्ने, because मलाई अल्छी लागिसक्यो. I have been bored with this decor for so long, so I think I'm just gonna redo it, it's fine. 15 days ko lagi I'm gonna keep अर्को decor. Let's get into the video. So our first step is I'm gonna take everything down and then start a decor.
Yo, microphone check.
Oh, finally I'm gonna put all of these right there in the back.
Moody, I could've played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle rap. Snap, crackle, pop, mind fried to a crisp.
So next are these fairy lights. I'm gonna put this low wall like isari and horizontal way now, so I can hang pictures in them. So I was kind of bored seeing the same pictures, so I just printed 2 of these out. And by the way, this frame is I think older than me. Can you see how I'm putting the nails inside? This is vintage, guys. This is real vintage. And then I thought, yeah, it looks pretty nice. So I'm cleaning this, let's call it, I think, desk. By the way, it's going to be dirty by tomorrow morning, but still this is very satisfying to just see everything clean at least for some hours. So yes, that's what I'm doing.
Hey, you, I saw you from the distance.
So I'm editing on that here, the crash basically. So oh my god, I hate this when this happens. Yeah, some footage is missing, guys. So I just thought I'm gonna search, and my laptop is giving so much of headache aajkal. I don't know, things after happen and this is not working. I don't know why. So I have mouse here like kati barsa purano, and this wire wala. So अहिले the wireless mouse are there. So this is I mean, why is the wire so long? But anyways, long story short, guys, yes, I found the footage and here I'm editing that. So we have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, then please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in my next video.